to this Skyway video. I am on the Tennessee side. If you didn't know, I'll tell you. I heard rumor that Monroe County now has a motor unit on a Harley Davidson. I hope we do not meet him today. I was told that he patrols the Cherahela Skyway. I was told that he does pull people over and write tickets. I did see the news report, which did say that Monroe County had 41 motorcycle accidents last year. I don't think that 41 accidents is a lot, but they were going to crack down on motorcycles this year. So that doesn't tell me that they're trying to save lives or make motorcycling safer. It tells me that they've realized that motorcyclists have expendable income, and they're going to start taking some of that income away from motorcyclists. So, yeah, happy days. There's nothing better than policing for profit, so way to go, Monroe County. You can blame it on safety all you want, but we all know the truth. Oh, it's real smoky on that side. Smoky? Oh, it's smoky on this side too. It's funny, they put these garbage cans out, and it says, the side of the garbage can say, nobody trashes Tennessee, but they forgot some other words. It should read, nobody trashes Tennessee like Tennesseans. Because the good people of this part of Tennessee know they enjoy throwing their garbage out the window. It's just annoying. Some of the roads that I ride down, the roads are so beautiful. But if you get over to the white line and look in the ditches are just full of trash, beer cans. Common sense tells you the tourists aren't doing it. The tourists are here to see how beautiful this area is. The locals have been throwing their trash on the side of the road all their lives. They think that's just the way you're supposed to do it. That's how you get rid of your trash. How young's gonna get rid of your garbage? I just throw mine out the window. That sounded stupid, didn't it? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. But that's the mentality of some of the people up here in the hills. This road's usually pretty clean though. I can honestly say I have not seen a lot of garbage on the Cherahela Skyway. Now, I've only been riding it like 2 weeks, but still. Still, it's usually pretty, it's pretty environmentally friendly up here. So if you're a visitor and you're taking your trash out of the forest with you, thank you. Thank you. Weather Channel said today was going to be mostly cloudy and the sun wasn't going to pop up. But it's been absolutely beautiful so far today. It got up to 86 degrees yesterday. That's almost too warm to be on a motorcycle. Yesterday couldn't have been a better day. I'm thinking today's going to be an amazing day also. There was a GSXR that pulled out one of the overlooks, the last overlook on the North Carolina side, and I thought for sure he was going to come blazing by me. I was going to let him, so you guys can see what it's like with the motorcycle in front of you going down this hill. But no, I have to look at empty roads out here all by myself, riding a motorcycle. It's lonely. Talking to you. Maybe you ought to come visit North Carolina. We'll go ride together. I know 2 or 3 good places to eat. I like to eat. I know we're getting on ethanol gas. Alright, I'm going to click off. The rest of the Cherry-Hale Skyway into Tellico Plains is kind of bland. It's pretty, but the roads aren't twisty like they are up on the mountain. Thanks for watching. If you subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. You don't have to, but if you give me a thumbs up, shoot, I might kiss you with tongue. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check out some of my other videos and hit that big old heart button. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.